Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Gabriel India. Our analyst maintains a buy on Gabriel India with an unchanged price target of Rs 433. Owing to its strong brand equity, market share expansion strategy, focus on profitability, expectation of a rise in content per vehicle, inorganic growth strategies, and renewed thrust on exports. Its sunroof project is on track and the companies continue on its diversification strategy. Further, Gabriel is sustaining a high margin trajectory and aspiring for a double-digit margin in coming years. The stock trades at a price to equity multiple of 17.3 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 10.8 times its FY26 estimates. Next we cover Birlasoft. Our analyst maintains buy on Birlasoft with a price target of Rs 950. The company efforts towards driving sales, account mining, rationalizing of account tail under the revamped leadership is likely to aid in strong deals win and augment the existing robust order pipeline. The company has consistently beaten estimates during last several quarters owing to strong ramp-up of deal wins which is likely to continue in the coming quarters. The management expect a better Q4 compared to Q3, which despite seasonal weakness witnessed decent sequential constant currency growth. We expect sales and PAT CAGR of 15.2% and 22.7% respectively over FY24 to FY26. At current market price, the stock trades at 27.7 times its FY25 and 22 times its FY26 estimated EPS. The stock has corrected nearly 17% from its 52-week high, and this correction provides a good opportunity for long-term investors.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.